Hey guys, so if you've been following this channel for a while, you know that I have been collaborating with Knitcrate, which is a monthly yarn subscription service. So every month they send me their Knitcrate box and then their sock crate box, and I just unbox it and show it to you. So there's a coupon code if you want it. It's in the description, and I will also put it here at the end of the video. No pressure or anything like that, but if this seems like something you're interested in, then you can use the coupon code to try it. So first, I want to show you their Knitcrate. Here's the yarn I got, and if you know me, you know that I am obsessed with green, so I love this color. So this is DK weight, and the colorway is called Olive. It's actually a little bit darker than it's showing up on screen. So this is 50% alpaca, 30% merino wool, and 20% nylon, and it's a DK weight with 236 yards. So you can see a little bit how it has kind of that halo from the alpaca. So this is their Knitcrate. You get 2 skeins of an exclusive colorway yarn, so you don't get to pick the color. That's kind of the model behind Knitcrate, is that you get a surprise yarn box every month. So there are multiple different colorways and you get a surprise color. So typically with the Knitcrate you get 2 skeins of yarn and 2 patterns, 1 knitting and 1 crochet, but this month they did something a little bit different. So they did a booklet. So this booklet is really hefty. I mean, there's lots and lots in there, and let me see how many knitting patterns are there. So you get 6 patterns. Most of them are knitting, but there are a few crochet patterns in there. So this booklet has 6 patterns in it, and it also has information about the yarn, how to care and keep superwash wool. It introduces you to the designers, and it's just a whole big booklet. It's actually really fun, and you get lots of like their visual inspiration for the month. It talks about the yarn, what it's like, and then you get patterns. So here's a knitting pattern. How gorgeous is that? So there's the pictures of the patterns and then the actual written out instructions. There's charts, and then there's like about the designers, about the dyers, yeah, like how to care and keep 4 superwash yarns. And then on the back they give you a little sneak peek of what next month is going to look like. So this is their kind of inspiration for November. So you can go to their website and check out what other potential colorways you could end up with for the Knitcrate. But you get this booklet full of that many patterns and all this little fun stuff. It's like a tiny little magazine. It's really fun. And the 2 skeins of yarn. So I actually think this is a really fun thing that they're doing. I like the little booklet. So you can go online and download the patterns as well. So if you want to keep them, you can totally do that. You don't have to just keep the printed out booklet. So that was their Knitcrate, and this is their sock crate. So it's the same idea where you get a surprise colorway of yarn. They typically have about 2 to 3 different colorways, and you get a surprise of one of them in the mail. So you get the same booklet, so you get the same amount of patterns and information in this, and you get 1 skein of yarn. And I got this really beautiful, like, icy blue. If you are a Frozen fan, I would call this like an Elsa blue. It's just that really beautiful, I'd call this probably a tonal blue. But this is the colorway Morning, and it's an 80-20 blend of fingering weight yarn with 402 yards. So a lot of 80-20s I have worked with have been not the softest. They can be soft, but this one, this feels like there's cashmere in it. There's not, but it definitely has that kind of luxurious feel to it. So the sock crate is 1 skein of yarn and this little booklet, which I think is an incredible value if I'm being honest. So that was just a quick little unboxing of this month's Knitcrate. You can use the coupon code here to get 20% off your first box and a multiple month subscription. So if you want to try it, you can just use that code and try it. If you don't, you just want to watch some knitting content, then there's no pressure or anything. It's just there if you want to try it. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video.